right, right.
There?
Yeah, that's
Do you need the stump?
That's fine right there. Nah, that's fine. That's good.
Okay.
All right, the back's gonna be the heaviest.
Yeah, I'll get on the side.
Well, once we get the front just popped over here, we'll be good.
Slide it on, yeah.
We might need somebody, probably you over here.
Okay.
Ready? All right. Set her there.
All right, does somebody want to come help me back here?
Yep. Okay.
Let's go.
Watch the other side there.
Yep,
watch
the
their
IBR.
Yep.
Hold on a second, Nate. I'm gonna try and pick up so it's not.
Oh yeah, we got to really get it up. Keep her up in the air.
Hang on, I'm gonna front pull it.
Okay.
Nice.
All right, that's good.
That's good.
Let me get strapped pretty tight.
You got life jacket, Nate?
I have hit the brakes hard. His ski comes into the window.
All right, we got the skis back behind us here on Mason's trailer that he just welded up. He converted it from a 1 ski to a 2 ski trailer, welded it all up. We just got the batteries put back in the skis. I got an oil change on mine. We're about to hit the lake for the first time this season. All right, we're all filled up, ready to go.
All right, guys, so we are headed to the lake, as Nate said. We are gonna kind of take the jet skis out and do a little test run. We gotta make sure everything's running real good, because next week, watch for the video, we've got plans to go somewhere really special and get something really special for Big Dog.
That's right.
Somebody put a down payment on something, so we'll let y'all speculate what that is. The video will come next week, but right now we are kind of watching the trailer. I don't know if y'all can see it back there. My ski is on that side, and it weighs probably 200 pounds more than Nate's, and it's bouncing around a lot more. Mason said there's a little bit of a soft tire. All right, guys, so we get here to the lake. Water's, good temperature. Sign that the geese are still on the lake is probably, some people might take that as a good sign, but there is no one out here. It's gonna be epic out here for us today.
As long as we're ready for the season. He's open. He can't have much business right now.
You all right?
Sure. I'll go for a quick look.
Sure. Here, let's see. Hold you. I gotta give you the key. There you go.
Oh boy.
about threw me over the ski. It turned on me.